Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for E3FD091. This is a 2003 Ford Taurus with an overhead valve, 3-liter V6. Look at that, just changed the oil. It is very, very clean. And it's running nice and smooth. Vehicle didn't take a very hard hit. No damage to the motor. We do offer extended 6-month, 1-year, and lifetime part and labor warranties. Be sure to ask your salesperson about our details on that. And this vehicle has 101,113 miles on it. Thanks again for watching. This has been J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for E3FD091. Thanks. Have a nice day.